Hi everybody and welcome to this update video about the gold-silver ratio. You can see right now in the moment of recording the video, we are at the ratio of 72.78. This is a very low ratio. Let's see what is the reason for this. So we're going to have a look at the gold price, the weekly chart for an ounce in US dollar of gold. And we can see the gold price did not move that much. It still keeps very strong in these high levels. And let's have a look at the silver price. This is where we see something more, more important and more dominant. So we see the silver price keeps rising up, and this is also the reason for the low ratio. So the more the silver price dominates and goes up, and gold keeps floating around a little bit sideways, the deeper the ratio will go. And we can see right now here on the chart that that the silver price broke our red area. Now we're gonna have to see what it's doing on the 34 to $35 level for an ounce of silver. Whether we get this rejection over here and start also floating a little bit around with the silver price. That could have a result that the ratio will move sideways or go up again. But when we see that we touch this level, the 34 to $35 mark, and we also go through. This is the moment where I personally expect that we're gonna see that we're gonna see again the all-time high in the silver price, which we had right now here or right here in 2011, which is 48 to $50 per ounce of silver. So if this happens, and gold does not also or doesn't also have a um, strong rise in the price, the ratio will continue to drop maybe. And let's now have a look at the gold silver ratio. And let's see where we are right now and what we can do to get again more profits out of it. Okay. So in the last videos we talked about this line on Friday. We had been in this moment. We told you not to switch yet and to wait that the ratio maybe break this line. It was looking very good that we're gonna break this line, and then we went down to a ratio of 78. This is where some customers started to switch. We said we recommend to wait a little bit more until we maybe see values of lower ratios. And I told you in my video that I personally targeted a ratio between 75 and 77, which was more or less over here. This is where I switched the last silver I had to gold, and then we went lower. Then we went lower, and now we can see we have this red resistance area with the lowest area of a ratio more or less 73. So if we break the 73 ratio, we can see on Auvesta we are already on 72, 79, but we need to stay a moment below 73 that we can expect also lower ratios, and this is then where we can also see ratios for 63, 64. We see this this yellow line over here, which we touched several times, 2016, 2021, and I personally expect when we're gonna be or when we will be with the ratio below 73 today and until tomorrow this week, that we're gonna see this lower ratios. Now, when you already start in a different way, when you still have silver left in your portfolio and you said, I have done already several switches, now I'm going to take the risk and wait that maybe the ratio drops really deep. Then congratulations. Then you have now a very good area. Observe today and tomorrow the 73 level. When we stay below, I can imagine that we go really deeper, and this is then when you can change your silver very, very profitable to gold. Okay, we in the last weeks and months we accumulated silver over here in the ratio above 88 to 91. when you have it still in your portfolio and you switch it down here on a ratio, let's say 70 or below, this is where you make really a huge benefit and get a huge amount of metals for free. If you have no silver left right now, you did something wrong. Is it a big problem? No, you did everything correct because I also did the same for me because I think it's better to take a profit here and to have it safe in your pocket than to see the ratio bouncing up again and you missed the opportunity. Okay, now the ratio dropped deeper. What is it we can do? It's very easy. And this is what I will do now in the next weeks and months when the ratio stays in these lower levels. So what I will do now is I have everything in gold in my portfolio right now. And in the next months, every time when I want to buy new metals, I will buy gold. Ah, sorry, this was the wrong. I will continue to buy gold on these levels of the ratio over here. And the deeper we go with the ratio, I will continue to buy gold because what I will do is when I have a switch point right now of, let's say 76, and I buy gold at the lower ratio, what I will do is with each purchase of gold, I will drop down my average switch point of gold. So let's say we have 10 grams of gold right now, and we buy another 5 grams of gold down here, then our switch point from 76 will go down. Okay. Of course, when you have a kilo of gold and you buy 5 grams, that it will not move much, but it will move a little bit with each purchase. On the lower ratio, your switch point will move lower, and that will mean when the ratio pumps up again or goes up again to 85, 88, or 90, that your profit will be higher with each purchase of gold you will do right now. So this is what I'm doing for myself and what I recommend to all my friends, family members, and customers. And when you start right now as a new customer, then you have a really amazing opportunity to start directly with a new portfolio purchasing gold at a very, very good area of the ratio. That means you start accumulating your gold portfolio over here. You let it grow. You buy gold in these areas, and when the ratio go up again, maybe even to 90 or higher, you switch all this gold directly with a profit to silver, and this can be in 2 or 3 weeks. You saw this already that this can go very quick. We have now published a video in German and in Spanish. We will have it also in English, where we show with our accounts, official Auvesta video, where we show with accounts how there was a profit of 20 grams of gold in only 2 weeks. So this can happen quick. It can be that we go down and stay in these areas for a few weeks, but the thing is you never know. And for me personally, I know the longer we will stay in this range, the better for me because the more gold I can accumulate and the more profit I will have once we go up. So this is the game plan for right now. If you still have silver, observe what the ratio will do between today and tomorrow. If we keep on 73 or even lower, you should wait maybe some days because then I think we're gonna drop lower to switch your silver to gold. If you have already switched everything to gold, start accumulating more gold on these levels or lower levels to get your average switch point lower and make more profits in the future. Okay, so this is what we are observing, and we keep you updated about everything in the next days. Or if there is something important happening, we send you an update immediately in our Telegram group. So have a great week, and yeah, wish you much success with your switches, with your trading, and also with your new purchases.